So we finally got our rug pull. Not even much, but you know, charts are looking like shit now, at least on SPY and some of the bigger ETFs. SDAL and VIX finally making a little money out here. What's that mean for silver? Well, the paper silver follows, you know, the rest of the market. It follows the ES and SPY, SPX, and it's really dumb. But I think eventually this shit's going to separate. It has to. I mean, if everybody's buying the physical to protect their cash, then those will eventually have to go up. Or if they're not going to let them go up, then, I mean, it's just going to wake more people up to how fucked the system is in terms of them manipulating the silver price. I mean, JP Morgan, they got sued several times over the last couple of years for a lot of money for manipulating the silver futures to try to keep price down, because they know if that price skyrockets, that means goods and whatnot are going to frickin' skyrocket. And we know inflation isn't going anywhere. We know our debt's not going anywhere. Every frickin' banknote we have is backed with interest on top of it. Everything they print, every $1 they print has interest on it, and it's never going to be paid back. We did see Australia move to a stable coin. They have a stable coin now. So I think that'll be on the agenda for the USA. We're going to probably get a stable coin, CBDC, whatever the fuck they call it. I don't know. And, you know, you trade in your fiat cash for the stable coin, and they can print, you know, infinite money, because, you know, that's digital. Hell of a lot easier just putting that stuff on a little card instead of printing out all the cash. And we'll lose a lot of our freedoms that way, I believe. We're in uncharted waters right now. And, you know, they're even trying to manipulate, like, the housing market. Yesterday, that information dropped, and they tried to say, sales this week are up 28%, but it's down 35% year over year. So, you know, markets went green a little bit, but everybody knows that doesn't mean shit. They could have BlackRock or any big major bank come out and, you know, buy up a bunch of cribs because no one's buying. Middle class doesn't have money to buy them. And the prices are just so outrageous, you know. $500K for a little, you know, farmhouse with maybe half an acre. Some of them don't even have an acre. It's freaking bizarre out there. You know, I've seen some 10-acre properties going for several million. Maybe they're just trying to get a fish to catch, but shit's getting out of control right now. And silver, I think that's going to be silver, gold, metals. That's going to be the targeted audience here in the future. I think those are going to freaking explode, because in 2008, silver ran to like $40 around, roughly, I believe, maybe a little higher. And that's, you know, double the current silver price. Those are some good gains. But again, at the end of the day, I mean, I've been buying physical silver, but do you trade it in for the fiat dollar, or what are you going to trade that in for to get the money? Or do you not trade it in at all and just hold it? That's the ultimate question. We're out.